Why do we train so hard?
So I can breathe.
Why do you need to breathe?
So I can think.
Why?
If I can breathe, I can think. If I can think, I can win.
That's the way, boy. Come on.
Now let's get it all in perspective.
You're one of the greatest MMA middleweights of all time.
Come on!
Now you're working on a fishing trawler.
I'm not a fighter anymore.
Your brother has some debts that need attention. Come out of retirement. Fight the world champion. Or else we burn down your world.
I did 6 months.
You have 7 weeks.
Now let's get it all in perspective.
I took a fight.
When's the last time you trained?
It's been a while.
It's got no engine, no urgency. You like wasting my time.
Let me ask you something, man to man. What kind of little bitch are you? I'm the guy that's gonna knock your ass out.
Yeah, I know we've been there.
I fought for my life every day. Put on a show. No excuses.
Robbers and soldier survivors.
There's 2 people that know who are gonna win this fight. There's you, and there's me.
You know I click black where you in your mids at.
What's the fight plan?
Punch that punk in the face.
It's a good plan.
Yo, my move is real rude. I lay you out, show you what still do. Monsters don't box, my pump shot a block.
Patton James out of retirement for the shot he never got. This fight is all about redemption.
If I can breathe! If I can breathe!
It's always the nastiest.
I can think! I can think!
I'm a leader at last.
Can he continue fighting?
Get him, baby!
If I can think! If I can think!
I'll show you what still do.